Hi guys, you're welcome to the next lesson. We're still on this module. This is Introduction to Trading. Previously, we've learned how to open accounts on exchange, then ways to fund our accounts, which is obviously P2P if you are a Nigerian living in Nigeria because of the CBN restriction. So we're going to be talking of how to deposit and withdraw from your accounts. So whether you are trading on COINEX, KUCOIN, OKX, OB, Bittrex, Bybit, and other platforms, the process is the same. Now I'm going to log into one of my accounts and show you how the process looks like. So I'm going to log in now. Which of the accounts should I use? Is it this? Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to log in. So I'm going to draw this to this point as usual. That's a confirmation that you're not a robot. Okay, so this is a second security layer on my account. I'm going to show you how to do that also. Then I'm going to type in a code to have access to my account. It's just like a second security layer on that particular account. 055479. So I'm going to submit that. So it's going to submit that automatically. Now, this is the account. This is my wallet. Okay, you can check wallet overview if you want. So, but that's not what we want to do. We want to click on deposit and withdrawal. That is what our focus.
Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys.
Okay, so this is the deposit button. This is the withdrawal button. Of course, every platform wants you to deposit on the exchange, so they prefer to make the deposit button to be very obvious. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing now is to click on any assets that wants to withdraw, or any assets that wants to deposit. So all of these assets can be withdrawn, but what you have to make sure is that if you are withdrawing Ethereum, make sure that you are withdrawing Ethereum to the right blockchain. Okay, if you are depositing, you have to deposit the same token on the same address. Let me give you an instance. If you deposit Doge on Ethereum wallet, sorry, if you deposit Doge using an Ethereum wallet, you're in trouble. You will lose that money forever. Okay, once money is lost on a blockchain, there is no how you can recover such money again. So you have to take good note of this. Okay, so the next thing we will be trying our hands on is this. This is the deposit. This is the withdrawal, trade, and converts. Okay, now we want to deposit BNB because I have a couple of BNB in the wallet. So I'm going to come here, click on deposit button. So as I click on deposit button, it is giving me a kind of notice. Please enter memo and address data which are required to deposit BNB mainnet token to your Binance account. Okay, I understand that. That is if I'm using BEP2. I'm not going to be using BEP2, I'm using BEP20. Okay, so that doesn't require any memo. And also you can use ERC20. Okay, it doesn't require any memo also, but right now I'm using BEP20. So, and the instruction is that send only BNB to this deposit address. If you send any other token to this address, you might have problem recovering that money, and it is not likely that you're going to be able to recover that money ever. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. When I copy it, next I'm going to go to is my MetaMask. Okay. I'll go to MetaMask. When I get to MetaMask, I'll come here again, send BNB. I'll click on, I'll paste the wallet address here. You can see OX4, OX444, OX444, so it's still the same address. So I'm going to click on next. So let me send 0.005. Click on next. Okay, so I don't know how much that is, just an example. So I'm going to confirm it. So as you can see, it is going. We don't have to speed that up. The Binance Smart Chain is fast enough, so there's no point, trying to speed up the transaction with extra fee. So let's wait for it to confirm on the blockchain. Once it is fully confirmed on the blockchain, it is going to reflect on Binance. Okay, it is going to reflect on Binance. So I'm going to check the blockchain now to check if this transaction has been verified. Okay, sent. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So you can also go to blockchain, copy the copy the wallet address. Okay, then go to copy the wallet address, then go to BSC scan. Okay, then paste this here. So, and check it out for yourself. Okay, so you click on this transaction, it says success. So you're supposed to see these updates on our wallets that something has been added. Okay, so as you can see, this increased from 0.183 whatever to 0.02. Okay, so same way, if we want to withdraw, we want to withdraw the BNB, we need to come here, and withdraw. So I'm going to show you how it works also. So I'm going to withdraw also to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, I'm going to withdraw to the Binance Smart Chain, and the fee is quite low. So I'll be paying $0.27 to withdraw BNB out, or let me see if it is even free. So it costs the same amount to withdraw on this network. Okay, so it's $0.28 to withdraw my BNB to this point. So I'm going to come here and paste the wallet address that has already been copied. So once I do that, the minimum withdrawal is 0.1. Do we have up to that? So 0.1. Okay, minimum 0.1. We don't even have up to that at the moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to see if I can send out other tokens. Okay, so instead of sending out BNB, because we don't have enough BNB, I can send out BUSD. Okay, so and the minimum, I'm not sure there's a minimum here. So let's send out BUSD on the same network. Okay, so I'm going to paste the address same way. Okay, minimum I can send out is 10. So let's send out 10 BNB. Okay, on this network. So it is free to send out BNB. So I'm going to click on submit. Okay, let me make it 11. So 11 BNB should be fine. Please enter an amount no higher than your available balance. Okay. In order, oh, sorry about that. There is 98.28 BNB in order at the moment. So I have to go to the orders, check spot orders, and cancel all the available orders. Okay. So I'm going to cancel. I'm going to come here and cancel this order. So once I cancel it, now I'm going to go back to my wallet. When I get to the wallet, then I should be able to send it out. So now I'm going to click on withdraw. Once I get to withdraw, I'm going to click on BUSD. Then I'll paste the address. It is still the same address. Then we're using this chain, not BEP2, not Ethereum address, please. So the minimum withdrawal is 10 and should go through because we are not paying any fee for that. I'm going to submit it. So once I submit it, there is a couple of things I have to do. I have to do phone verification, I have to do email verification, and also Google verification. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to come here, make sure that this email is opened by coming down here, deposit confirmed. Okay, that is the confirmation of the other crypto that was sent in. So the next thing now is to click on send, okay, and I'm going to refresh this. So I'm expecting the message on my phone. Okay, I'm expecting the message on my phone. So I've gotten that. So I'm going to copy this out. Okay, copy. So I'll come here, I'll paste this in this box, and I have a verification on my phone, which is 596534. 596534. Then the last thing is the Google verification code. And real quick, I'm going to go pick up my phone and check this code, okay, which is 912801. Okay, so I'm going to submit that. So I am expecting 10 BUSD in my wallet. Okay, and this is the wallet. The wallet is right here. And let's check the amount of BUSD I have in there. So let me see. Okay, BSCV. I don't know much about that. Okay. That's some token I bought. So now I'm going to add token. Okay. So BUSD. I would like to add that. If it is added, then definitely once it hits my wallet to reflect. Okay, so we are still waiting for it to come. So we can also go on the blockchain, view withdrawal history. Okay, it is still processing, so we're going to wait until Binance is able to process that amount. Okay, so now it says completed. Okay, it says completed. So if you go and check on the blockchain, we are going to discover that it is truly completed. So let me refresh this page now, and you will see that will be added. This changed from 91 to 10. Sorry, from 81.40 now to 10.42. Okay, so now you come here and click on BEP20 transactions. That is where you find that transaction. You see, it is coming from Binance Hot Wallet 2. Okay, so once you click on this is the hash, this is the transaction hash, then it is a success after 77 block confirmations. Okay, so that is how it happens on this blockchain. That's how it happens on this blockchain, and it is fast, it is easy to use. So this is how to deposit and withdraw from any exchange. See you in the other side of the course.